What I saw in last so many years, I am practicing diabetes in Pune almost for last 30 years, and every time a person comes for a follow-up checkup, we give a big list that we need all these tests. Patients don't like it. They think, what is this, extra expenses, why you need all these tests? I came to you for my diabetes. Why you are asking me heart test? Why you are asking me this test? So these are the common questions in person's mind. But let me tell you, if I want to decide someone's diabetes treatment, I need how is patient's kidney, I need how is patient's liver, we need to know how is his heart functioning. All these things are required even to plan a diet treatment for a person. We just can't look at glucose reports and give everything. So how is all your body functions, body organs are working is extremely crucial. To plan the treatment, to give a diet, to give an exercise prescription. So which exercise is good for you? So all these things are decided by yearly checkup, which are minimum tests which every person needs to undergo every year if someone has diabetes. These include kidney function, liver function, your lipid profile, good cholesterol, bad cholesterol, triglycerides, your uric acid, your HbA1c, your hemoglobin, white cell count, and how much protein you are losing in the urine. These are crucial. So one thing is that I design the prescriptions according to the test. Other very important use of these tests is that how are organs functioning? Is there a slightest problem? Whenever the damage of diabetes complication is happening, maybe kidney, maybe liver, maybe heart, there are no symptoms. So diagnosis is possible only by early checkup. So I check up urine routine, and you saw that small amount of albumin is getting excreted from the urine. Immediately we know it's an alert sign that this person's albumin is coming. That means this person's blood vessels are weak, and we can take action immediately so that we can prevent further kidney damage or protect kidney or protect heart. So never avoid these yearly tests for expenses. In the long run, whatever money you are spending, actually it's a benefit for you because we are avoiding lot of damage or complications. So though a person is treating your diabetes, we need to know how your heart, kidney, liver, brain, all the organs in the body are crucial. We can prevent earliest kind of a problems at an early time and prevent the further damage. At the same time, you can receive a good treatment. So don't get averse that because so many tests a doctor is asking, it is good for you. So these are called as yearly tests, and get them done whenever your doctor is saying, or at least once in a year. Thank you.